Welcome to Instagram Bot Postback Manager tutorial. To access this feature, click on Messenger Bot, located on the left sidebar menu, under the Messenger Tools section. Go to the Postback Manager label within Instagram section and click on the action link. Here you will find all of your Postback templates. You can create a new template by clicking on one of the buttons at the middle top, which are Create with a Classic Editor and Create with a Visual Flow Builder. Clicking the Visual Flow Builder button displays a pop-up asking you to select the bot-enabled Instagram account. Click on Choose a Page and select the Instagram account you want and click on the OK button. You will be redirected to the full-screen Visual Flow Builder editor. We will see how to create Instagram Postback using Visual Flow Builder in another tutorial. For this tutorial, let's see how to create a Postback template with the Classic Editor. To do that, click on Create with Classic Editor button. After the page is fully loaded, you will see a form for creating a Postback template. On the middle top, there is a button called Variables. This will display all the variables you currently have. Now, the first step required here is to provide a template name. This name will only be visible to the creator of the bot. Make sure to give it a meaningful name you can remember later. Next, choose the Instagram account you want to create this Postback template for. Now, choose the Postback type, either parent or child. If you are creating a new Postback template, then choose a parent. Next, give a Postback ID. This should be unique. The system will not accept duplicate Postback IDs. It is recommended to use English characters and numbers as Postback IDs. Then, you will see the label field area. You can choose labels within the field provided if you have previously created them before, or you can create a new label by clicking on Create Label. If you choose labels or create a label, then when the user clicks on this Postback, they will be added to those labels. That will help you segment your leads and run broadcasting messages from Messenger Broadcaster. If you don't want to add labels for this Postback, then just keep it blank as it is. Next, you can choose a drip or sequence campaign to set when the user clicks on this Postback button. Keep it blank if you don't want to set any sequence campaign. Next, we can set up a reply by choosing a reply type. You can choose text, image, quick reply, generic template, carousel, user input flow, and e-commerce. Then, depending on the reply type you have selected, you will need to fill in the information to complete and submit the form to save it. You can add more replies by clicking on Add More Reply button, located at the bottom right of the Postback template form. You can have up to a maximum of 6 replies in a single Postback template. Let's now see all our reply types available for creating one or more Postback reply templates. First, text. This reply is the simplest type of reply that can only contain text-based replies. You can include the full name variable inside the text-based message. The variable will be replaced by the Instagram name of the users when they see the message. You can also use syntax format reply, which basically helps you display different replies to different users. Second, image. This reply type accepts the URL of a single image, or an image that can be uploaded using the upload form provided. It is also possible to drag and drop images to the upload button. Third, quick reply. This reply type contains a text-based reply with a set of up to 13 buttons. When a quick reply is tapped, the buttons are dismissed, and the title of the tapped button is posted to the conversation as a message. Fourth, generic template. This reply type is a simple structured message that includes a title, subtitle, image, and up to 3 buttons. Fifth, carousel. This reply type is simply a horizontally scrollable carousel of generic templates. And it can contain up to 10 generic templates. Sixth, user input flow. This reply type is used to make the Messenger bot more interactive. With this reply, you can ask a single or series of questions inside the Messenger. Once users provide an answer, then the next question will be sent to them depending on your settings. To create this reply, first, you need to create a flow campaign inside user input flow and custom fields within Messenger bot main section. 7th, e-commerce. This reply type is used to make a carousel or generic template like a reply of selected products you have created in the e-commerce store. This makes manual creation of a carousel or generic template for each product very easy. To create this reply, first you need to select your e-commerce store. Make sure to have a store created in the e-commerce store section, and all the stores you have created will be displayed here for selection. Next, select the products for the carousel or generic reply from the store you have selected. Finally, provide the Buy Now button text. You can give any name that can direct customers to click it and proceed to order the product. That's it for Postback Messenger bot tutorial.